Hello everybody! El Loco Fresh is a complimentary Mexican cafe available on the largest Royal Caribbean cruise ships, including the Navigator, Freedom, Oasis, Allure, Symphony, Wonder, plus the upcoming Icon and Utopia of the Seas. In this video, we'll show you the food from El Loco Fresh, updated for 2023 from our cruise aboard the Allure of the Seas. On the Allure, El Loco Fresh is located where Wipeout Café used to be and is open from 11:30 a.m. on sea days and noon on port days, which means you can eat there for embarkation lunch if you like. And it will probably be less busy than the Windjammer Buffet. El Loco Fresh does close at 6 p.m. for both port and sea days. Without further ado, check out the food at El Loco Fresh and later let us know what you think with a comment. Be sure to check out our other Royal Caribbean food videos for more lunch and snack food options. Thank you very much, happy cruising, and we'll see you soon in another video.
It's just cheese with quesadilla.
That's an interesting way of eating it. Is that beef?
Yes. This is Joanne way.
Okay, guys, 2 minutes left of this game. Okay, 2 minutes.
You gotta try that.
8-7.
Guacamole. Beef fajitas is so good, has a nice kick to it. I gotta have another bite of that. I'm telling you. You gotta try my way here. Can't go wrong with this perfect bite.